how to download Chinese Brawl Stars on your phone. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you this quick and easy tutorial. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and open up any web browser you have installed to your device. Now in my case, it is going to be Chrome. And all you have to do is to go ahead and search for Chinese Brawl Star APK mod. Right after that, you can then go ahead and choose any one of the Chinese Brawl Stars APK right here. In my case, it is going to be the getmodsapk.com. Right after that, just go ahead and click on the download button. Click on the APK file right here. And right after that, just go ahead and download the application and wait for it to finish. Now in my case, I already have it downloaded into my device. So all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the APK file. Click on the install button, and you will be able to install the Chinese Brawl Stars on your mobile devices. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, and as always, thank you.